Here's how to make the Slofis Colors Extended. The Slofis Colors Extended is my personal spin on the original Slofis Colors mod. The Slofis Extended uses colored watercolors instead of color twins to give the mod a softer feel. The mod also uses patent grips and uses some extra tape sticking out to make the weight distribution more even. This mod is also 21 centimeters, which is 1 centimeter longer than the original Slofis Colors mod. Many people have tried this mod, said that they really like it. They liked it even more than the original Slofis Colors mod. If you like the original 7 watercolor, or you like smooth mods like the waterfall or the yellow mod, chances are you'll really like the Slofis Colors Extended. Here are the stats of the Slofis Colors Extended. The overall length of this mod is 21.2 centimeters, and the mass for this mod is 16.2 grams. Here are the pens you will need. 2 colored Pentel watercolors. And if you can't get 2 colored Pentel watercolors, a color twin works just as well. 2 alpha gels, 1 G2, 1 Tombow play color, and 2 Pilot patents. Here are the tools you will need. Let's get started. Take your Pentel watercolors and completely disassemble the pens. Now take your bodies and cut 6.7 centimeters from the back plug side. Now wrap some tape on both of the cut ends of the watercolors with 5 millimeters sticking to it. Now trim the pieces of tape to 1 centimeter. Double check to make sure that the tape is taped at 5 millimeters from the end of the barrel and the tape sticks 1 centimeter from the end of the barrel. Now hollow out your caps using a hammer. Now check to see if the caps will fit on the bodies. If they don't fit on the body, you will have to remove some tape. Now take your alpha gels and remove the tips. Now remove the little grips from the tips. Now take your Pilot patents and remove the grips. Take your Pilot patents and cut them to 1.9 centimeters. Take your Pilot G2 and cut 2 2-ring sections off of it. Now stretch your Pilot patent grips until they can fit on the CT caps. Once you're done stretching them, go ahead and put them on the CT caps. Once you push the grip far enough, take your alpha gel tips and put them inside of the patent grips. Once you push the tips far enough, go on ahead and put your G2 grip sections inside the patent grips. Now take your play color 2 and remove the back plug. Now connect both of your watercolor bodies using your play color 2 back plug. Now take your caps and put them on the body. Make sure the length of the watercolor bodies is the same on both sides. And there you go. That's how you make a Slofis Colors Extended.